The Quiet Boy. In a small town outside Kyoto, there lived a quiet high school student named Haruki. He rarely spoke in class, but he had a big secret: he wanted to speak English fluently. While other students were interested in anime, games, or fashion, Haruki spent his time listening to English podcasts and watching YouTube videos about pronunciation. But no one knew. He never told anyone, not even his parents. The mirror routine. Every morning, before school, Haruki would stand in front of his mirror and talk to himself in English. "Good morning, Haruki. How are you today?" he'd say, practicing with a smile. At first, it felt strange. But slowly, it became a habit. He started talking about his plans for the day, what he ate for breakfast, and even what he dreamed about. The mirror became his best speaking partner. Sticky notes everywhere. One day, Haruki had a creative idea. He started placing sticky notes all over his room with English words and phrases. On the mirror, "I believe in myself." On the desk, "Never give up." On the door, "Speak with confidence." These small reminders helped him stay motivated. They became part of his daily English environment. The secret notebook. Haruki carried a small notebook in his backpack. It was filled with new words, phrases, and even short conversations he wrote himself. Whenever he had a free moment, like during lunch or while waiting for the train, he would open the notebook and review. It wasn't just about memorizing. He imagined himself using the words in real life. The challenge. One day, their English teacher gave the class a challenge: prepare a 1-minute self-introduction in English and present it next week. The class groaned, but Haruki felt excited. At home, he practiced every day. He used his mirror, his sticky notes, and his notebook. He recorded himself and listened back, correcting his pronunciation and intonation. The big day. When the day came, Haruki was nervous. His hands were cold. His heart raced. But when the teacher called his name, he stood up. He walked to the front of the class, took a deep breath, and began, "Hello everyone. My name is Haruki. I love learning English because it opens the door to the world." The class was silent. Then came the applause. The secret is out. After class, his classmates came up to him. "Haruki, that was amazing. How did you speak so well?" For the first time, Haruki shared his secret: the mirror, the sticky notes, the notebook, and daily practice. He realized that he wasn't alone. Some classmates wanted to improve too. They asked him for tips. He started a small English club after school, and more students joined every week. From secret to strength. Haruki's journey didn't stop there. He began posting short English videos online, sharing what he learned each day. People from all over Japan started following him. He wasn't just practicing anymore, he was inspiring others. What began as a secret became his biggest strength. If Haruki's story inspired you, don't keep your English journey a secret. Practice a little every day, even if it's just in front of a mirror. Want more stories like this to help you learn English in a fun and natural way? Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Speak Through Stories. Together, let's make English part of your daily life.